Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to join our learning journey. Here are 20 facts about Carson City, Nevada. 1. Location. Carson City is the capital city of Nevada, located in the western part of the state near the Sierra Nevada mountain range. 2. Population. Carson City has a population of approximately 56,000, making it one of the smaller state capitals in the U.S. 3. Nevada State Capitol. The Nevada State Capitol, completed in 1871, is characterized by its Italianate architecture and serves as the seat of state government. 4. Governor's Mansion. The Nevada Governor's Mansion, built in 1908, is a historic residence with a colonial revival style, serving as the official home of the state's governor. Nevada State Museum. The Nevada State Museum, located in Carson City, offers exhibits on the state's history, including its mining heritage, Native American culture, and pioneer life. 6. Nevada State Railroad Museum. The Nevada State Railroad Museum features vintage locomotives and railcars and offers train rides and educational programs on the history of railroads in Nevada. 7. Kit Carson Trail. The Kit Carson Trail is a self-guided walking tour of Carson City that includes stops at historic sites and buildings, reflecting the city's rich history. 8. Carson City Library. The Carson City Library provides a wide range of resources, including books, digital media, and community programs for residents of all ages. 9. V&T Railway. The Virginia and Truckee Railroad, or V&T Railway, is a historic railroad offering scenic train rides and providing a glimpse into the region's transportation history. 10. Capital City Arts Initiative. The Capital City Arts Initiative promotes visual and performing arts in Carson City through exhibitions, performances, and arts education programs. 11. Nevada Appeal. The Nevada Appeal is the local newspaper in Carson City, providing news coverage, features, and community updates on local, state, and national issues. 12. Pony Express Pavilion. The Pony Express Pavilion is dedicated to the history of the Pony Express, showcasing artifacts and information about the historic mail service. 13. Carson City Historic District. The Carson City Historic District includes a range of well-preserved buildings and landmarks that reflect the city's development during the 19th and early 20th centuries. 14. Lake Tahoe. Located about 20 miles west of Carson City, Lake Tahoe is a major recreational destination offering opportunities for skiing, boating, and hiking. 15. Fuji Park. Fuji Park is a local park in Carson City that features sports fields, a fairgrounds area, and facilities for community events and recreational activities. 16. Silver Saddle Ranch. Silver Saddle Ranch is a historic property in Carson City that offers outdoor recreation and educational programs related to the region's ranching history. 17. The Brewery Arts Center. The Brewery Arts Center is a cultural venue in Carson City that hosts concerts, theater performances, and art exhibitions. 18. Governor's Mansion Historic Site. The Governor's Mansion Historic Site offers tours and information about the residence's history and its role in Nevada's state government. 19. Carson City Mint. The Carson City Mint, now part of the Nevada State Museum, is a